Hello, I'm Jack at Downs Autos, and this is another Ford Ranger Wildtrak custom design that's currently in stock. So this particular Ranger is in a colour called Moon Dust Silver. It's got the contrasting black Raptor kit on it. You've also got another really nice feature on this particular vehicle, which is the electronic roller shutter on the rear. So I'm going to show you that. It's the power roller shutter, which is quite a rare option. You've also got the Ford tow bar. So as we go around now, I'm going to point out some of these extra features over and above your standard Wildtrak vehicle. So straight away you can see it really sort of stands out on the road. Front end view, it's got the Ford Raptor Style front grille with the Ford lettering. You've got the bonnet scoop on the top, and then down below you've got that nudge bar, that twin bar design. It gets the wide wheel arch kit on it, and you've got brand new, just a motorbike going past, you've got brand new all-terrain tyres with totally unmarked alloys. Top of the windows gets the sun deflectors, or wind deflectors I should say, just give it that nice sleek look. Obviously this is the 2021 plate, it's a new shaped vehicle, so you've got the full leather interior with the Wildtrak embossing on the seats. You've got the touchscreen navigation. This is the 2-litre twin turbo, so you see there you've got the 10-speed auto box, and it's the twin turbo, so the 10-speed box is a really smooth gearbox over and above your older vehicles that had the 6-speed. So round at the back end here you can see what tow bar at the bottom there, but what's a really nice feature is this electronic roll top. So nice clean lines as well, so you don't get the handle on the back like you normally do with the pull cord one. You've got 3 ways of opening and closing this. So one is a button in the boot there, push that and it will fully open. You push the button again, it stops, so you can stop it at any position you want, which is an advantage over the old system where you had 4 set points it could only stop in. Push the button again, it starts to close, and then if you push the button it will fully open again, so you can stop and start that at any position you want. Actually, that load bay nice and clean whilst we're here. You've got 3 ways to do it. So one is a button there, there's also a button on the key fob and a button inside the vehicle, so 3 different ways to control that electronic roller top. Wildtrak vehicle gets rear camera, so you've got the camera there, you've got front and rear parking sensors as well. Alright, let's keep going round. Privacy glass on those rear windows gives you a little bit of privacy if you've got children or belongings inside. And back round to the front end view, my personal favourite. I think just from this view they just look really great on the road. Right, let's go inside and look in a bit more detail on the spec on the inside. Vehicle is really nice and clean and tidy everywhere, bodywork and interior. So long distance purchasers, just give me a call, we can arrange delivery as well on these vehicles. Mileage is 10,175. You have safety features on these Rangers. So if we go here, you can see you've got the lane keeping, collision, pre-collision warnings, speed limiter and traffic signs. Quite nice because you see the speed limit in the road you're in. Lane keeping, you can change the mode and intensity, so you can have alert and aid, for example. On the left hand side you've got the navigation, but you can have phone or entertainment as well. That's your sat nav screen, rear camera, front and rear sensors. You can then, it's all touchscreen, so it's all very car-like. Then you can change things like ambient lighting, plug your Apple phone in or your Android. You get Android Auto and Apple CarPlay on these vehicles as well. In terms of your media, you've got digital radio, Bluetooth, FM and AM as well. Heated seats for driver and passenger, USB points, air conditioning. That's, as I mentioned, the 10-speed auto. You've got the sport mode, you can change the gears yourself. You can also have switchable 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive and low gear ratio. Just a close-up look now. The seats, interior, as I said, really clean and tidy. Cruise control and speed limiter, auto lights. Just show you the rear as well. Electronic driver's seat as well. Rear condition really clean as well. Armrest in the centre. You've got ISOFIX points for fit child seats. Plug socket down there, 3-pin plug. So that's the Ford Ranger in Moon Dust Silver with the contrasting Raptor kit and the power controlled rear roller cover. So if you've got any particular questions, my name's Jack at Downs Autos. Thank you very much for watching the video.